following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Mount Pleasant, or 10 miles northeast of Connellsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm, Donegal and Champion. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extent of tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Seven Springs, Donegal, Champion, Jones Mills, Acme and Laurel Mountain State Park. Seek shelter now inside an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. This storm is capable of producing widespread destructive winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.